Yes, you are doing it. You are taking the instructions on these videos. You're getting inspired by some of these interviews. You're taking action. This is incredible. I'm getting all of your notifications on the YouTube channel. I'm getting all of your comments on Instagram. It is phenomenal. You are taking action, but there is a point to the progress that you're stopping. You're just stopping right there when you're about to take action to actually pick up the phone and talk to a distressed property owner. I'm gonna give you, we're gonna break through it on this video. We're gonna break through that little ceiling that you keep hitting. You have your lists. You've got them skip trace. You've got the phone numbers. You've got the script. You know what to say, but you're not taking the action yet. This video is going to destroy all that. I'm going to show you exactly the steps that you need to take just for today. Just today. The exact steps that I want you to take just today, because everything else doesn't matter. We only have today. We have big goals. We have big dreams. We want to be financially free. We want to own a bunch of real estate and apartments and houses. But stop. Let's just focus on today to make sure that we're taking the actions that's gonna get us to those goals. Here we go.
Ain't nothing gonna stop this fire.
I can't believe this business is so incredible, and if I can do this, every single one of you can do this. Every single one of you.
Something higher. Ain't nothing gonna stop this fire.
Hey everybody, it is Brent Daniels, and I want you to get out a piece of paper and I want you to write this down. Do not hesitate with this. Literally pause it for a second, write this down. It's going to be so simple. I'm going to break it down. But remember, we go back to that. Do we have a fixed mindset or do we have a growth mindset? Go with the growth mindset and really write this stuff down. Let's go with this. Number one, right at the top, today I will. Remember, going back, today is the only day that we have. It's only guaranteed. We're in it right now. We got to take the action right now. I want you guys to start having those quality conversations with distressed property owners. You've said everything else. You've got it all lined up. So let's take the action. Let's start. Write this down right below it. Write 1, 3, 20, 30, 50, and all. Take a second to do that. Write that all out, and I'm going to explain to you what these are. Now, this is a breakdown of a presentation that I just did at the All In Freedom event in Phoenix a couple weeks ago. This is the daily schedule that if you stick to this, you will be so successful. You will find a massive deal out there, and a life-changing deal, a $50,000 plus deal. That's what we're talking about. Something that changes your brain chemistry, something that changes your financial future if you follow this path. Now, listen, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy. I need from you one thing, one commitment, and that's 20 hours a week. 20 hours a week. Remember, we have 168 hours in a week. Okay, if you work 70 hours a week, you still have 98 hours in a week. Right? If you sleep 56, you still have the time. It's priority management. It's not time management. We've talked about it on this channel all the time. But now I know I've given you enough time to write this stuff down. I want to put it in your head. You have 20 hours to do this. You have 20 hours to commit to your wholesaling business, to make this from a side hustle to your full, to making this a business for you. Okay? So number one, this is going to be interesting because this is not something that I talk about a lot, but I'm going to go into it. Number one is you need to have one realtor conversation. Okay? Now, Brent, what are you talking about, a realtor conversation? You've never, what are we talking about, realtors here? Here's what I'm telling you. This is an incredible resource for you. Getting referrals from real estate agents is huge. We do some of our biggest deals ever, every single year, because we have a stable of realtors that don't want to deal with really rundown properties. Okay, so here's the approach that you have with this real estate agent. You call them up, you say, hi, this is Brent. I know you don't know me, but I wanted to let you know that I'm buying properties that need a lot of love in the areas that you work. Whatever it is, you can find a listing of them. What I would do first is go to Realtor.com. Look for anybody that says they're an investor specialist or whatever, or even better, go to Zillow or Trulia and look through the properties. Do a search for the properties that are under a certain price point in your area where you know it's a little bit rougher. Here in Phoenix, it's about $100,000 and below. Go and look at somebody that has listed and sold a property under that, and you look at the pictures and it's just totally beat up. Okay, then you reach out to that realtor and you say, I want to be your cash buyer. I want you to send me these deals. You can keep all the commissions. That is the key. You keep all the commissions. I just want the deal. Okay, listen, they want to make more. They want to make the full commission when they sell these properties. If they represent both the seller and you as the buyer, they get both sides. I'm telling you, you're going to get some phenomenal deals. Have one conversation like that every single day, 5 days a week. So 5 in a week. Okay, one realtor conversation. Do not skip this. Do not be intimidated. They're human beings. They're just like you. They just want to do deals. They want to make a living. They want to be in real estate just like you. Just have that good, normal conversation with them. But it is vital to start building up your stable of realtors that are going to send you distressed properties, okay? And kind of coach them. I'm looking for properties that need a lot of love. I'm looking for properties that are in probate. I'm looking for properties that are going into foreclosure. All of these things that help them make an easy sell is really, really, really huge for them. So just educate them a little bit. Just even if you've never done anything, just tell them that's what you're looking for, because that is what you're looking for, right? So don't be intimidated. You got this. So number 1 is Realtor Conversations, okay? Number 3 is Cash Buyer Conversations. See how we're having all these conversations? This all comes down to conversations, but if you follow this plan, this blueprint, you will win. 3 cash buyer conversations. Find your cash buyers out there. Find them on, there's a ton, just go watch the past videos on this, but you can find the phone numbers for these cash buyers in your market. Pick up the phone, tell them that every single day you are proactively looking for the best opportunities in the marketplace. And when you find them, do they want you to reach out to them, right? Can I reach out to you when I find this a phenomenal deal? Absolutely. You got to build up your cash buyer database, right? You got to build up all these different people looking for different properties, because it's going to explode the amount that you make on your assignment fees. I hope that makes sense. So 3 cash buyer conversations every single day. Guys, I'm not talking about picking up the phone and making a call. I'm talking about talking to somebody. If it takes you 10 calls to do it, call 10 people. It takes less than 20 minutes. I'm telling you, 20 minutes, you should be able to get this done. 20, right here. This is probate, tax default, vacant land, tired landlords. This is your bigger lists, okay? And we'll get into some of this later. These are your bigger lists that you're gonna want to reach out to. And of course, driving for dollars. You gotta call the driving for dollars. 5 of these should be, actually 5 should be here really, but 5 of these should be driving for dollars. Okay, so make an effort that you talk to 5 driving for dollars property owners, and you talk to 15 of the rest. Now, if you want to go back to some of the videos to be able to pull it, but a lot of these lists you can get from Flip This Real Estate List, vacanthousedatafeed.com. You can get it from listsource.com. You can get it from your tax assessor or your treasury and your county, and get those lists of people, and then skip trace them through batch skip tracing. Make sure you use the coupon code TTP to get the best information. Make sure that you scrub them through the litigator list to make sure that there's not people there that are professional litigators that literally just wait around for people to call them. And we'll do a video on that, so don't get too crazy. Just go to batchskiptracing.com, look at what they talk about with their litigator scrub. It is phenomenal. Probate, tax default, vacant, tired landlords. You got to talk to 20 people, guys. You got to talk to 20 homeowners a day, 20 people that are in a distressed situation a day, 100 a week. Brent, this sounds like a lot. It sounds like a whole ton. For what? For $10, $20, $50,000? I guarantee you, if I stood there and I gave you $100 every 15 minutes, you would do it. If I gave you $1,000 every hour and said, you got 20 hours this week to do all of this stuff, you would do it. But people are making twice, triple that. That's the reality of it. So put it into your head that you have the time. You got a time block, you got to find that space in your schedule where you can do this. You can do this. I know you can do this. 30 right here. 30 is this is minutes of reading. 30 minutes of reading. Guys, I'm telling you, this is going to change your life. If you read a good business book, a good inspirational book, if you read a good autobiography, whether it be Elon Musk or Kevin Hart or Dwayne Johnson or some of these people that just have incredible stories and inspiration, it's going to change your outlook. You're going to be positive. I need you to read 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes a day, that's it. You don't have to go crazy, but just get something, get into the routine. Find 30 minutes a day to work on your mindset, to push all of the crap that we get thrown at us. Literally, there are scientists, literal scientists, that are creating ways to distract you all day with the way things are labeled, with the lights that they use, the colors that they use. Everything is out there to distract you. Calm your mind. Get a book, get an actual book. Kindle's fine, but get a book. Audible's okay, but get something that you're reading. Read it 30 minutes a day. It'll change your life. And then 50 right here. I need new addresses, new driving for dollars addresses. I need 50 new addresses. This should take you an hour, okay? An hour a day. 50 new driving for dollars addresses, because we got to keep filling the top of the funnel with new properties, new opportunities for you to reach out and really help those people. Those people really need your help. So 50 addresses a day of driving for dollars. Get out there, get into the community, really see some things. Look for garage sales, look for estate sales, look for sale by owners, look for high weeds, or if it's cold outside where the snow hasn't been, like it's just sitting there forever, like look for those properties that are distressed. Look for the ones that need to be completely renovated, okay? And then this is the last thing, guys. This is the last thing that I'm gonna touch on, okay? As you start doing these, as you start having realtor conversations, as you start building up your cash buyer database, as you're you're talking to 20 people a day, as you're reading, as you're doing all these things, and you're getting the driving for dollars, you're gonna have leads. You're gonna have leads, and they need to be followed up. And that's what I mean, all lead follow-up. Do not go today without doing all your lead follow-up. Do not go today without reaching to all those people that you put so much effort into getting through this whole process. Do not allow them to slip through your fingers and lose that assignment fee check, that assignment fee wire that goes straight into your bank account, okay? Because that's exactly what's gonna happen if you don't do your lead follow-up. So all your lead follow-up, get it done 100%. Make sure you're pre-qualifying them based on the condition, the timeline, the motivation, and the price. If you're not familiar with that, go watch some of the videos from before. But I'm telling you guys, like for real, you gotta make sure that you're in front of all of these hot sellers, all these people that their timeline is short, they need to make a decision now. Okay, so that's the thing. 1, 3, 20, 30, 50, that is the plan. That is what you need to do just today. Just try it out for today. Just make sure obviously you gotta set some things up before you can do this. But you can do this on an absolute daily basis and blow this whole strategy out of the water. Explode your business. And when you do that, then you come to me and you join the TTP program, because it is the most proactive program in real estate investing. When you're ready for that, check us out at wholesalinginc.com/TTP. Scroll down, check out what the program's all about. Go check out all the testimonials. If it feels good in your gut, sign up for a call with us. I would love to work with you personally, because I work with all of my TTP family members on a personal basis. They get my cell phone, we meet, we get together, we talk. It's amazing. Anyway, here's the plan. Whatever you want to do with your life, whatever you want to do with your business, get this going. I'm telling you, you cannot lose with this blueprint. You are amazing. Until next time, I encourage you to talk to people. See ya.